All right, so we are going to go over how to add people into your community group. So I'm going to share my screen and let's get into it. So first, what I'm going to do is I've got open and I'm going to go to my communities group. So we're in memberships, communities, and then groups. And I'm going to go into the group that I'm wanting. And then what I'm also going to do, just so you can see what the other side, what your invitee will see, I'm going to open a incognito window. And this just is going to allow me to browse the internet without it knowing that I'm actually the admin over here. So if we go into settings as the admin, and we've got this big long link, if we just hit copy here, we're going to paste it. So this is what the link that you would send to your invitees. And when they go to this link, they'll see an overview, but they're not going to be able to post or publish or anything else. And when they're on home, you can see over here on the right-hand side, it says join, or if they're already a member, it'll say sign in. So we're going to hit join the group. Okay. So once you hit the sign up, it'll then say, we've sent you an email with a code, and then and now that person can log in. So that is how you do it. If you have any other questions, just let me know.